Hi you guys, how are you? So one of the main questions that we always get when we're working with foils is how do you attach one foil to the other? And I'm here to share all my tips and tricks on how we do just that. And our star product is, as you know, Pro Tapes, UGlu dashes. We also use UGlu strips for this. It's the same exact product, just different presentations. I'm going to show you guys a quick demonstration of how we use on silver balloons, but then also on colored balloons specifically, because I think we get the most questions about the colored balloons. So the UGlu dashes come in this presentation and they have 1,000 dashes in a roll, which is awesome because, trust me, you can use this forever. We're going to be using a couple dashes to adhere our number 80 here, and I'm going to demonstrate how we do this up. I'm just going to find the points where my numbers meet. We're going to peel back the backing. That's all. You can see there, I'm yanking, and it's not going anywhere. So the easy part is gluing your silver numbers or silver balloons together because they adhere very well. Now we're going to be working with colored numbers, and you just need an additional step to make this work. We're going to be using our UGlu dashes as well. And then to add a second step, we're going to be using, I use disinfecting wipes that have about 75% alcohol, or you can use rubbing alcohol, whatever you choose to. We're going to be removing some of the paint from our balloons at the points where they meet. So wherever you're going to be adhering. You can see here that it removes some of this paint. A little loud. Okay, I actually want to move up a little bit here. You can see that some of it is removed, and so you have that like silver patches on it. You're going to repeat the same step on your number 5. So as you can see here, you're going to have some residue on your either wipe or cotton swab that you use. I'm going to show you guys what it's going to look like. And of course, it's not perceptible to your client because you're going to be adhering at those points. So nobody's going to be able to tell but you. So now I'm going to be using our UGlu dashes. Once again, you're going to be placing them where your foil balloons will meet. Okay. That right here. And as you see, you will get the desired effect. I am really pulling here. Okay? There you go. So that's it. Those are the tips and tricks that we use to adhere our foil balloons using our UGlu dashes. This applies to any colored mylar, so if you have any themed balloons that you're doing a bouquet with, you can use this tip to remove the paint and then adhere with your UGlu dash. I hope that was helpful, and if it was, let us know in the comments below.